Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can download Netflix application on your Windows PC. First of all, you have to go for the search pool and type Microsoft Store. You can also find this application in the apps. It will appear right here. So click on it once with the left mouse button and now just wait until it will be open. At the top we can find search bar, so we can type Netflix, or we can also find it on the top 3 apps. But let's type Netflix. Right now we have to click get on this blue button. Right now just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be finished. It will take like a few seconds. As you can see, in my case it's complete, so right now I can click open. We can also full screen by tapping right here. We can sign in the right upper corner. Here we can input our login data, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Click enter and pick your account, and right now you will be able to watch your favorite movies. You just mute this one, movies or other stuff on your PC. So that's how it looks. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.